Hello loves, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. Kindly don't leave without subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. Welcome to the family. If you are an OG, I see you. I see you. So we are back with another DIY this week. We are going to create another wall decor. We're going to transform our wall with another DIY, and this time we're going to play around with another mirror. This time I'm not going to use spoons, but be sure I'm using this spray paint, my glue gun, the bamboo stick, and a mirror. So guys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to create a sunburst mirror. I know you're wondering, what's a sunburst mirror? But hey, it's a mirror that is popping, it's a mirror. So we're going to do a sunburst mirror, and what we need is circles. I know you're wondering, why is she using a ball? Why can I just needed a perfect circle, and I didn't have what is it called, that compass. I didn't have what? I didn't have a compass, whatever. But I needed a perfect circle, so I decided to use what is around me, and that time was a ball. If you want a bigger mirror, you can use a circular plate, depending on what size of um, a mirror you want. So for me, I just needed like a small mirror, but trust me, after this you'll want to do a bigger mirror. You'll want to DIY a bigger mirror, because sis, bro, this mirror is going to look super cute. So guys, if you have what is it called, pen knife, the better, pocket knife or whatever, those ones that are very sharp, and they are easy to handle, you can use that. Because trust me, this cardboard was super heavy and difficult to cut, so I struggled with my small scissors. So I'm thinking of getting a blade. Maybe if you have a surgical blade, you can use that to cut, but a pen knife will do wonders, then magic, for you to cut a perfect circle with smooth edges. With scissors, you're going to struggle with edges, so you have to be very careful. Yeah, so we need these circles to be in cut too. What I mean with cut too is we need them to be, we need yes, we need two of them, because I need the back and the front of the mirror to have cardboards. So this is it, and as I said, you're going to struggle with edges. See, I didn't have smooth edges, but we work with what we have. Yeah, we're not going to break a bank to get all those things. We're working with what we have. So here you are. If you can tell my mirror is smaller to the boxes, slightly smaller to these circles that I have. So yeah, after you have those, you're going in with your bamboo sticks. If you're accurate and you're sure of yourself, yani kama unajaminia, you can go in directly. But for me, I was like, will I manage to go in directly, sticking down the bamboo sticks, or what? So I decided, let me just find the center of this circle, and this is what I'm going to do. I took my ruler, my pen to find the center. If you want your mirror to have, those mirrors that you want it to be a semicircle mirror, you can just cut it into two and stick your bamboo stick on the upper side, or make one side longer if you're bigger, if you want your mirror to be down. And you know what I'm trying to say, like if you want a semicircle, you can make one circle bigger than the other, so that when you stick your bamboo sticks, the sticks will be up above the mirror. But for me, I wanted to fix in my bamboo everywhere. So what I did, I divided this. After finding my radius, mathematics came in. So after finding my radius, I decided to make smaller portions, like small. What are they called? Quarters, pies. Eh? So I made these two small triangles from that circle, so that when it could be easier for me to stick down my bamboo sticks. Then, because I wanted my bamboo sticks to to be of different levels, I had to stick them on different levels, as you can see. But if you're wise, if you've watched the previous DIY that I did, the crown, you already know that I had to cut them so that they could be, I cut on the other video. If you haven't watched, kindly go back and watch the crown DIY, because it's the previous, it's the one that I uploaded late before this, yeah. So if you haven't watched, kindly go back and watch. See how I manipulated those sticks by cutting them so that they could be of different levels. But if you've watched and you want to try another DIY with this, I know you're already wise than I was. You're wiser than I was before, yeah? Because I told you guys, when you're going to buy them, you can buy them in different sizes, different centimeters, because they have 15 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 30, you know. So you can get them in different centimeters. But for me, because I have this and nothing is going to waste, I decided I'm just going to use these ones until zimeisha. So my next purchase, now that I'm wise, my next purchase, I'll buy different sizes. But for now, we're working with what we have. So what I did, I decided to stick them down from different levels. Like one, you see, these ones are coming from the center of that color line again. From the center of the color line, like they're not going down to the center of the circle, you know. So this is what I did. And finally, once you fix them like that, you'll have them in different levels. They look like they were alternating. Then I'll go in with the long ones. Oh, now these ones will be long because zimeanzia katikati. Then I'll have shorter ones zenye nitanzia huko chini, like nitanzia at the center. You know where the center of the circle is, you see? Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them at the center of the circle, as you can see. There. You see? So guys, when you're gluing down, I've said this and I'm going to repeat it. I've said it a million times. Glue gun is super hot. Be gentle. Be very, very careful with your hands, because you can imagine the way it's hot and then it sticks kwa kidole yako, utaimba wimbo. When it sticks on your finger and the way it's hot, you're going to sing your national anthem. You know, you'll make this DIY singing your national anthem. So to avoid that, be gentle. To avoid that, watch out. To avoid that, be careful. Something else I want to educate you. Because I did this DIY and I learned this, let me just tell you before you try it out. Don't go in as I'm doing. Don't feel hapakule azinu kiruka. Just feel a portion at a time, so that they come together, they stick together, and they take a good. You don't have spacing when you're done. You don't want spacing, you know. So make sure you fill one portion at a time. One portion at a time. So anyway, guys, if you have reached to this point and you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. I truly appreciate, you know. And this far, if you've come this far and you haven't watched the previous videos, like, yo, you've been missing. What are you waiting for? Go back, watch all other DIYs that I've done, because previously I've been doing DIYs for your walls, DIYs for, you know, just transforming your house. And these DIYs are super cheap, easy to get, easy to create, but amazing and classic. Like, you know, they transform your wall and make your house look, you know, expensive. Your house will look expensive, my girls. Hey, you have, you know, for those guys who are watching and haven't subscribed, as I've said, go subscribe. For those who are watching and don't comment today, make sure you leave that comment. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you watch all other videos and give them thumbs up. I truly appreciate the support. And you know what, you can get me on all my social handles. I'll just drop them kwa description box. Just go kwa description box, utazipata hapo. Ukitaka tuongee, nipate DM. If you want this mirror, tell me. I'll make it for you. I'll make it for you, you know. But anyway, as you can see, working on a single portion at a time is giving this mirror, making your sticks come together, like in togetherness. Unaona venye nilifanya za kwanza kwa zinapata gaps. You see, from the first ones that you used, whatever, and then you come join them, they're giving gaps. But if you work a portion at a time, see, if you work a portion at a time, they're coming together. No gaps, no gaps, no gaps. See, like this thing is already coming to life. Can you see? Can you see? Like, yo, me, I just love this. I just love this. So we are going to fill in. It's a lot of work, but you won't be tired because it's fun to do it. It's fun. But remember, be gentle with your glue gun. Be gentle. I'll repeat that. I'll repeat that. Make sure that when you're gluing them, you hold them down. You see, you place and then you hold them down. Give it a few minutes to dry, because that glue gun, if you leave them, they'll just fall. And we're done with our mirror. So remember, we did a cut 2 on the box. This is our mirror. It's kind of heavy. Once it's done, depending on the numbers of nini you want, or depending on the vibe you're going for, you'll know how many sticks you want. For me, I had too many because I just wanted them to be close together and everything. See the way it looks? See, at this point, you can already tell, wow, this is going to be a bomb. Like, you can already tell this mirror looks good. Remember, we had this box, another cut. We are going to glue it down for 2 purposes. You can attach your mirror directly, but for me, I decided to put this box for 2 purposes, as I've said. One, it helps to cover the edges. Those 2 edges, you don't want people to see the stick, where those sticks where they're coming from, you know. You want people to wonder, nazimeshikanishiwa wapi, you know. So it gives another vibe of the mirror, like it gives another vibe. And when the edges are covered, so you see the way hapa zimekuja from the center where they've shikanad, you cover like that, see. So that's point number 1, to cover the edges. Point number 2, the next reason as to why you add this, it's because it will help you when you want to place your mirror on the wall. You'll just hold the box. You won't touch your mirror directly, so your mirror won't have your fingerprints, because this box gives it raises it gives a raised layer from the sticks that is easier for you to touch. So it will be easier for you to hold that kanini. It will be easier for you to hold that camera and operate and place it on your wall without struggle. Don't shike vijiti or anything, you know. So guys, once you're done with that, we are going to spray. We're going to spray, because why not? Like, spraying has been the best part of me nowadays. So we're going to spray all around. Yes, like that. We have sprayed. Gold is the color for me. Gold is gold is, you know, my wall, my walls look, you know, but gold is the color for me. Then you're going in with our mirror. We are going in with our mirror. One thing, remember, make sure your glue gun is hot, super hot when you're touching the mirror, because you need your mirror to stick. You need your mirror to stick kabisa. 2, don't put too much of glue gun, because it will cause those, what are they called? Izo mabumps, malams ama zinaitangwa nini. Izo mavitu kubwa. Don't allow it to do that. So don't put too much. But see, from this point, if you don't want mirrors, you see the way it is, you can put beads on that cardboard, the upper cardboard. You can put so many beads. But for me, I'm going to do a mirror, and then I'm going to add the mesh trimmings. If you don't know what these mesh trimmings are, go back and watch my wine bottles DIY. I've used this mesh trimming on the wine bottle DIY. So go back, watch that DIY, give it some thumbs up, like, comment, and share it. You know, I'll truly appreciate. I will appreciate. So we are going in with our mirror, and then we make sure that it sticks down vizuri. As I've said before when I started the video, I told you my mirror is slightly smaller to the box. You see, slightly smaller. So we have the outline of, after the mirror, we have the box outline. You can see there. For my Ugandan people, there. But anyway, we have the outline. So this outline is what I want to cover, and this is the mesh I'm talking about. That's the mesh. And you know what, it's golden, and it's a gold mesh, you know, it's golden and it's popping. It's going to give your mirror another vibe. It's going to give it a vibe. So you know what we're going to do, we're going to stick it down on that outline. Pole pole tu, ainaraka, pole pole, pole pole, pole pole, pole pole. Don't worry if your glue gun goes to the mirror, because if those glues wherever goes to the mirror, because once they dry, you'll be able to clean it. Don't worry about your fingerprints on the mirror, because zitangara usijali. So what we're doing, we are just going to glue them down all around. Glue that mesh all around. If you have a bigger box, you can go for two or three layers. Yeah, 2-3 lines of the mesh. I believe it will give you a pop. If you want to glue down your mesh up to a certain level of your sticks from that outline, you can go in with another round, 1 or 2 rounds towards the 2 sticks, so that it covers the stick. But for me, I decided, it's the mirror outline only. Then I thought, why not just rusha them, stick these ones, 2 small ones kwa vijiti huku nje. That's what I did. We went in with those to mesh. You know, you cut kadogo, you stick. You cut kadogo. This was the easiest part, because these things zina stick haraka, and it doesn't need a lot of glue gun and anything, you know, doesn't need a lot of pressing. So yeah, all round. Yeah, see that mirror. Then I remembered hooks. Then I remembered, madam, you never painted the back. So don't be like me, just paint the back. Don't be like, oh, chapoko ukuta hayonekani, oh, people will not see the back, so I'll just leave it like that. No, please paint it. Don't be lazy like me. Because after I was done, that's when I came to put my hooks, I was like, oh, I never painted. But anyway, we move on regardless. So we're going to use paper clips for hooks. You know, I've not bought any hooks, and if you don't have hooks, but you have these paper clips, office paper clips, this is what I've been using for all my DIYs, just to put them together too, so that it can be strong enough to hold the sticks, because these sticks are heavy. And once you've done, let it dry, and once you've done, whoa, you have your mirror. See that mirror? Oh my god, see that mirror. See, that's now a sunburst mirror for me, you know. See. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate. Thank you. Place it on your wall and see the magic. Just see how your walls transform. So thank you so much. Till next time. My baby is asking now. My baby is calling now. My baby is like, mama, you know. You guys, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Till next time, thank you.